All right, so I think this is recording. Here they want us to simplify, but this time we have the operation of subtraction and stuff. So uh, we need to think in terms of like terms. And we do have a like term right here. We've got the square root of 54, and we've got the square root of 54. So all we have to do for our first step here is to take negative 2 minus 3. Negative 2 minus 3 is a negative 5. But it's a little bit of a trap here. It's a little bit of a trick. We're not done. We can simplify the square root of 54, and they expect us to do that. So although the idea initially was to recognize that we have like terms, and that's what we're wanting to do is combine like terms, we also have the old rules and stuff that, hey, you want to simplify your radicals. So we come over here with 54. And although it's divisible by 2, 54 is also divisible by 9, and 9 is a perfect square. 54 divided by 9 is 6. And when we look at 9, we find a pair. Now, when we look at 6, we don't find a pair. We've got 3 and 2. So we have this pair that we found. The square root of 54 is the same thing as taking the square root of 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. And when you have multiplication, you can break these apart into two radicals, even more if you wanted to. You have a pair here, so this square root of 9, the square root of 3 times 3, the square root of 9 is just an ugly way to write the number 3. Now here, since I don't have a pair of 3's or a pair of 2's, I'm going to multiply that back together. 3 times 2 is 6. And so now, when I come to my problem over here, I can replace the square root of 54. And people have been doing very good. I've been impressed with your ability to simplify these square roots. But you're too quick to say, well, this is my final answer, and to forget that we were wanting to multiply that answer by negative 5. So negative 5 times a positive 3 is negative 15 times the square root of 6. That's my final answer. So be careful, break it down, try to be neat and organized, and I'm sure that you'll do fine. I'll talk to you later. Bye.